So, hello everybody. Today we're doing an installation. This is Ken Bouchy from Spolan. He's going to give you a little information about how the zoom lock actually works better than brazing.
Yes, we are here to show you guys how Zoom Lock Max works. Instead of brazing, we're gonna use the press to connect technology. It'll be faster, and you don't need to braze anything. You don't need to smell any flux. Just the press fitting, it takes 5 seconds. We just need to prep the pipe and insert the fittings and press it in again 5 minutes.
And that's it.
That's
so
it.
It's simple like that. So now we have this condensing unit here. We have our young man here, Giovanni. He's actually taking it and he's cleaning the pipe. He reamed it and he deburred it. Now he's taking a little bit of emery cloth and he's just going over it to make sure that the pipe is clean before we put the press-on fitting onto it to use the zoom lock. Stay straight. Don't twist. Don't turn. Look at that. You're a pro already.
That's it. It's pro now.
Right, just make sure it crimped all the way around.
One crimp, only one. Right? Don't do twice. What does it say? 3/8. Right?
3/8.
Now we're working what? 3/8. Half inch, quarter, 5/8, 7/8, up to inch and an eighth with this tool. We have inch and 3/8. You need a better, bigger Milwaukee tool. M18 they call it, like large. This is a compact tool, like M12 equivalent. M12. Milwaukee M12 is same as this. Rothenberger twin turbo they call it. 24 kilonewton force output. Now, just put them in, right? Lock it.
All right, so let me step back here.
Yeah, need to.
Let me change places with you guys.
It stopped by itself.
You have to move to the side.
Don't let it
before the
go.
person
This
gets
is good. We have enough juice, right?
Because I'm not taller than you.
We have enough juice. So, you want me to do it, or you want to try one of them?
Have one of them.
One of them. Who wants to do it? You? Okay, good. Look, once again, go ahead. I'll tell you what. You see the O-ring where it sits? Just put them in. Don't let it.
I'm here, right?
See, hold on. No.
First one.
It's got a groove on it.
That's it. It fits, right?
Keep it straight.
You put straight. Don't move. And you see this trigger?
Yes.
Don't let it go. It'll stop by itself. Once you press it, just wait until it stops.
Okay.
When you're ready, it's still good. Are you ready? Good. Keep going.
Yes.
I'm pushing it.
Hold it. Don't turn it.
Hold it. That's it. Stop by itself. Boom. Done.
Right.
Take it out. Take it out.
You gotta stay straight. You can't. Now you gotta check it.
Stay straight.
You have the tool to check it to make sure it crimped right.
No, we don't. This is Zoom Lock Max. No tool. No need to check. Done.
All right.
See? Now we crimped it. Finished.